Dubbalokayo, it should be nurtured with difficulties. It should be fostered with difficulties. We have to get up early in the morning. We have to work hard. So we have to do so many things. And we have to buy so many things to clean and satisfy this physical body. So it is we do those things with difficulties. It's not easy thing. And dukkho duppariharyo. Dukkho, it's a suffering for human beings. Duppariharyo, it is hard to protect. We are trying to protect our physical body always. Cannot. It is hard, very hard to protect. And also, duppariharyo, it is hard to repair. It needs repairs. It needs renovation. We have to renovate our heart sometimes. We have to give repairs to our heart, operations and other things. So renovation. We have to repair our kidneys sometimes, intestines, certain parts of our body, hands, legs, and so many troubles it gives. So it needs renovations. It needs certain repairs. Certain parts, they do not work properly. Functions. Certain parts do not function properly. So then we have to go to the hospital and consult doctors. We have to see the specialist or doctors. Certain parts do not work properly. So please give me some medicines. In this way, we have to repair our physical body. Duppariharyo. Dutti kincho duradani dumpuro dusako sada. It cannot be taken as a fortunate place. It is not fortunate place. Dutti kincho duradani. It is difficult to feel. Morning time we are feeling. At the noon time, lunch time we feel our physical body, our stomach. And night time also we have to feel giving certain drinks and foods. So we are feeling every time our physical body. Duradani dupuro dusako sada. It spoils cleanliness. Every minute, every time it spoils cleanliness. That's why we have to clean our body always. Although we clean the outside of our physical body, inside we cannot clean. Inside we cannot clean. There are many worms, so many dirty things, waste matters are there. We cannot clean inside. It is the nature of our physical body. Then again the commentator explains, Nichetanato nirutsaho nisaru nichagocharu Ninkilesa parinchanto kayo ninguna sevito. Then it again explains, Nichetanato nirutsaho. The physical body has no volition, no effort, and no essence. Really, it has no essence. Essenceless. And this is subjected to mean things, mean type of things. This physical body is given by unstained ones, perfected ones. The perfected ones or the Arahants, they give up their physical body. What do you mean by giving up of physical body? That means when they get the enlightenment, fully enlightenment, Nibbana, they have no desire for their physical body after the enlightenment. After attaining Nibbana, after the total complete eradication of Lobha, Dosa, Moha, desire, hatred and delusion, no desire for their physical body. But although they have no desire of their physical bodies, they should take certain foods and drinks. Why? Physical body, it needs those things. The enlightenment, the arahantship and physical body, two things. But although the arahants, they got full enlightenment, they received the full enlightenment, they attained the enlightenment. After that, they have to take some foods and drinks in order to maintain this machine of physical body. But they have no desire physical body. They have already given up the desire of their physical bodies. Then Nikkileso parichatto kayo niggunase. Who are the people who are associating this physical body? Nigguna sevito, the unwise ones, the foolish ones, they are associating this physical body always. But unstained ones, so the perfected ones, so the arahants, they give up their physical bodies. But for us, for general people, giving up the desire for our physical body is very difficult. But here, the commentator says, the Buddha explains to understand the nature of our physical body and give up. Try to give up the desire for our physical body. Then when certain changes are in the process of our physical body, then we are not going to worry about the changes of our physical body if we have a clear-cut understanding of it. So if we do not have understanding, then we are always worrying about the changes of our physical body. Then again it explains, Nayang mitto nanyati che nacha kasansachi santako ninjiva suchi matto kevalam kamma sambhavo. Nayang mitto nanyati che. This body is not a friend and also not a relative. Nanyati che. Nacha kasachi santako. It does not belong to anybody else in the world, any organizations of the world. My hand, my head, my lungs, my heart, not mine. If we say, although we call it my heart, it is not my heart. It is the heart that belongs to this natural phenomenon. Our physical body belongs to nature. It is a part of our outside environment, outside world. So since this body, since my brain does not belong to me, then it gives troubles. I don't like headaches. I don't like stomach disorders. I don't like heart failures, but it gives, because it is not mine. It is the nature of nature. It is the nature of this physical body. Since it belongs to nature, the nature is subjected to changes, always momentary changes. So it again gives us the momentary changes and the results of bad results or good results of momentary changes, mostly bad results, unsatisfactory results, disadvantageous results of our physical body. Nayang mitto nanyati che nacha kasansati santako. So it does not belong to ourselves. Nacha kasati santako. It is soulless. No soul is there. You can't say my physical body. But generally speaking, we call it my heart, my lungs, my physical body. But philosophically, it does